Okay, now as we've gone through working on some of our form and we have drawn some of the balls on the mat so you can have an idea of where you should be stepping, we're going to actually include now actually what the tee does in relation to your mat and if you're downstairs. What you need is just a wiffle ball, a nice net, or if you want you can hang over some cloth over a bed sheet or something like that so you can just hit these into nice and easy. But one thing you want to look at when you're working with a tee, this is not necessarily where you want to be hitting the ball right back in here. So what we've done is we've actually put where you think the ball should be. So if it's down the middle, it's going to be out in front here, and if it's inside, it's going to be back here, and obviously if it's going to be in the back, or drop ball, we're going to be back there. So what you want to make sure you're doing is making sure that you move where the ball would be if it was the plate was still here. Don't go by this plate, go by the plate that we've drawn on there. So the ball's going to be right there, that would be right down the middle. You get back on your stance, nice good grip. You would lift, load, trigger, and then just nice and easy, you want to hit through the ball. And again, you want to set it up so that your screen is close by so that you're working on hitting through the ball and around, okay, and finishing up high. We don't want to finish down by our elbow or across our waist, or when we get to here, come across. So the main objective right now when you're working on it is make sure the ball's in certain spots. So the first one will be down the middle. You're going to lift here and finish through. Now I turned my hand over too soon and you see it went down. I want to get through the ball and finish. Okay? If we're looking at an inside pitch, you'd move it there, and now we'd put another ball on the tee, and now that's where you want to hit the inside pitch based off of where you'd be. Okay, so you'd lift, load. Now on the trigger on here, you're going to have to step out a little bit from your original spot. You got to step out, get to this spot here, get through it, and finish. So you'd be just balanced here, finish, and be in that position right here, way back.